Before I start this embroidery design, I would like to thank my 1000 subscribers, and I want to tell them that I'm feeling really happy right now because there are 1000 incredible people just like you who have subscribed to my YouTube channel. Once again, thank you so much. For this design, I'm going to use three type of stitches. One is French knot, second is lazy daisy, and third one is stem stitch for making stems. Let's start making stem stitch. I've finished stem stitch, and now I'll make lazy daisy stitches for flower and leaf. And for that you need this design. You can draw it on a fabric. Just first draw the neckline, and after that draw it with pencil, or you can just trace it with the help of tracing paper on the fabric. So just make sure you start making lining like this, and make 3 flower here and 2 flowers like this. This is really simple to make. This is also lazy daisy stitch. For making center of this flower, you have to first make the boundaries, or you have to make around this circle. Don't start from the center. If you start from the outer lining, it would be really good and perfect. If you want bigger French knot, you can just wrap around twice. If you want smaller one, less prominent, you can just wrap around only one. Like this you have to make French knot. First fill the outer border, then go inside the center.